Hey, hello, YouTube people. It's me again. Yes, I'm gonna bring to you this evening. Welcome to my channel first. If this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Beta Emmanuel, aka Success Queen. And my vision, my aim is to help fellow entrepreneurs to actually build their online business to create that abundance lifestyle that they need for their family using really simple strategies on on the on platforms, social media platforms, simple methods that you can implement that can give you consistent income, predictable sales. Yeah, so I'm gonna share with you an opportunity which is really fantastic. This is called it's called the IPS, the Infinity Processing System. So I'm going to share with you our back office. I'm going to give you a back office tour. So let's go. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to find it. So yes, so this is our back office. So when you join us, when you join Infinity IPS, Infinity Processor System IPS, and this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get your own back office according to the level you come in. And I'm gonna talk about the levels in a few moments. You're gonna come in with a level, and you're gonna come in, and then you can literally, and this is what you're gonna get, become your own boss. Yes, you can do it, become your boss. And this is our member area. This is what you get. So I came in as a pro member, the one-time payment of $300, the one-time payment of $300 the pro member, and then you do your website for $15, and that's it. And all you do, you position to receive 100% commission. I'm gonna do a different video about it, about the different levels. But this is our back office tool, and what you're gonna get, this is as my pro member. This is what I get. You get your welcome video to get you started. Create your automated sales funnel if you want to create a funnel, but you're gonna get a website anyway. If you want to create your own funnel, do your own thing to capture stuff to get things for yourself to link to your autoresponder, then you can literally do that. And then we have the winning mindset. The winning mindset, adapt a success mind, decide where you're going to be successful, become coachable for daily affirmation strategies, really, for you. And then you're going to have the art and persuasion influence. What is a master influencer, best persuasion methods in the business? You're going to be getting all of that. And then you're going to have 200 pre-rating ads. That is for the pro membership, plus 60 bonus images, literally, which can skyrocket your business. And I tell you, it's simply amazing. It has made my job super easy. Really, I just need to add my own twist to it, and that's it. And you get a 7-day action plan for your success, what you should be doing 7 days a week, what income producing activities should you be doing on daily basis that can produce those $300 payments every day, having multiple $300 payments, multiple $50 payment, multiple $150 payments every day. And then your Facebook marketing mastery, Facebook Marketing Pro, Facebook Video Marketing Strategy, and then the 200 Facebook groups that are going to help to really bring you those organic traffics that you need in your business so that you will never run of people to talk to. Is that not amazing? Simply amazing. And how to purchase paid traffic, and this is optional. There are many people haven't done paid traffic for this opportunity, but I've earned $600 so far, and in the last 2 days, the last 2 days. And then you have the crack list marketing, if you find out about it as well. And then youth Instagram marketing. I love this session. because I've had my Instagram account and I kind of left it, not really doing much about it. I guess because I didn't know how to really market it, and it's good. This training really helped me, and now I'm really getting into it because I know what to do. YouTube automation, how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation. Really amazing. And then the one I love is the TikTok marketing. The TikTok marketing. Go viral with your TikTok marketing, and it's simply so amazing with that. Amazing. And then you have your automate your business with your 6-figure system. So you get 6-figure system, the power of having your own sales funnel machine. You know that. And then extra bonus for hotels, for getaway, for restaurants. All of it is inside of here for you. And then we also get your Facebook groups. We get our Facebook group where you can literally support each other in the Facebook group, where we have our support. So right here, straight support group will take you straight there. And we do trainings, have live trainings as well. So you will never run out of ideas. And this is all for one-time payment. There is no monthly fees. This is simply amazing, simply amazing. And that is what people want. People don't really want opportunity that are recurring fees and things like that. So simply so amazing. Yeah. And yeah, so this is it from me. I'm going to leave details information in the information section and for you, and how to connect with me, and also the link, and to see all the different levels that we have. You're going to see them there with the link. I'm going to leave in the comment section. Click on it, follow it, look at it, and welcome. I'm ready to open my hand, welcome you, and I will be like your accountable partner. Together, we're gonna crush it. That is it from me. I will never let you rest because my goal is to make sure that you succeed. So yeah, I'll be there with you and work it with you, and you can do this. Yep. So I will be waiting for you. Please connect with me, and I'll see you at the other side. Take care.